Hi, welcome to Road 200 Con Questions. So, five numbers are written in a line. The average of first three numbers is 82. So, first three, 82. Fourth number added to first three and the average becomes 79. Now, one way of calculating is the average of first four is 79. Three of them are 82. That means three of them are 3 more than the average. Three threes are 9 more than the average. Okay, because 82 is 3 more than 79. So, three of them are 3 more than average, which is 9 more than average. So last number should be 9 less than average. So it should be 79 minus 9, 70. That means the fourth number will be 70. You can also do it by saying that 79 into 4 minus 82 into 3 should give you the same answer, 70. So once you get fourth number 70, the fifth number is 4 more than the fourth number, 74. Now average of last four numbers is 81 and the first four numbers is 79. Right, so difference in average is 2. So difference in average is 2. There's a formula saying change in average is equal to change in total upon n. This is used only when n is same. So here n is 4 in both the cases. 79 also we take both 4 numbers, 81 also we take 4 numbers. So change in average is change in total upon 4 or change in total is 8, which you can directly make out that change in average is 2 for 4 numbers, 4 to the 8. So difference in total between the last number and the first number is 8. But the last number being more than the first number because 81 is more than 79. Which means I want the first number. First number will be 74 minus 8, which will be 66. C option is the answer. Right? Divisible by. So for 8 it's easy to check. I know 4 raised to 24 is divisible by 8. But 76 is not divisible by 8. Okay, 72 is divisible by 8, but 76 is not divisible by 8. I mean, number is not divisible by 8. So either both should be divisible by 8 or both should not be. If one is divisible, one is not, and the whole number is not divisible by 8. Let's check 3. The first number is multiple of 3 plus 1 because 4 ratio any number will be multiple of 3 plus 1. Because 4 is a multiple of 3 plus 1, 4 square is a multiple of 3 plus 1, 4 cube is a 64 multiple of 3 plus 1. Or you can make out that 4 is 3 plus 1 whole raised to 24. If you expand it, it will always be a multiple of 3 plus 1. Anyway, 4 raised to 24 is a multiple of 3 plus 1. 76 is also a multiple of 3 plus 1. So when you subtract the two, the plus 1 get cancelled. The answer will be a multiple of 3. That means the whole number is divisible by 3. So A option. Right? If the first number is multiple of 3 plus 1, second number is multiple of 3 plus 1. When you subtract, the 1 gets cancelled. The whole number will become a multiple of 3. So A option. A boy is given some money. He can buy only one among them 4 things. NK denotes the number of possible combination of purchase on n consecutive days. So first day, how much can he buy? 4 things. Any of the 4. Second day, 2 days. 2 consecutive days. So 2 days consecutive, how many things he can buy? 4 things in first and any of the 4 in the second. So 16 days. 3 days, how many things you can buy? First day 4, second day 4, third day 4, 64. So you can see every day it is multiplied by 4, the number of ways. Every day the possibility is 4 ways. So that means the answer will be nk plus 1 will be 4 into nk. Every day when you add, the next day you will have 4 extra chance. So you multiply with the previous number of cases. So 4 into that. So 4 into 4, 16, 16 4 is 64 and so on. So A and B play a game of poker. He started with 500 each. First game, both won. A got 2/3 amount of B. Okay, this is at the end of. In the second game, A won, B lost. So A had 1000 in the second game and B gained 100 when B had 600, right? B gained 100 at the end of both the game. Then B had 600 at the end of second game. The demand at A had in the first round is the same as the amount that B had after round 2. That means amount 600 at the end of first round. Which means B should have had 600 into 3 by 2, which is 900. Okay, in the first round. So B should have had 900. So what is the amount B lost? B became from 900 to 600. That means he lost 300 rupees. So just trying to put a data properly, you should be able to get the answer quickly. 4-digit number is formed using 1, 2, 3, 4. Probability number divided by 11. Two ways of doing it. Suppose the only combination when number divided by 11 is when 1 and 4 will come alternate and 2 and 3 will come alternate. Right? 1 and 4 alternate, 2 and 3 alternate. Because difference in odd place numbers minus difference in even place numbers should be 0 or multiple of 11. Multiple of 11 is not possible, so only 0. Which means when 1 is in a units place or 1 is in a thousand place, the only number that can come in the tens place is 4 to be multiple of 11. Because then 2 and 3 will come in these places. So what's the chance that 4 will come here? 1 out of 3 ways. So it's always 1 by 3. Okay, that's one way of solving. Second way of solving is, so you have always 1, 4 and 2, 3 combination. So 1 and 4 being in the 4th and 2nd position, 2 and 3 being in the 1st and 3rd position. So 2 ways to arrange 2 and 3, 2 ways to arrange 1 and 4. So 2 into 2, 4 ways. Same way 2, 3 and 1, 4 could be this way also. So 2 into 2, 4 ways. So 8 ways you can get the number multiple of 11. Total number of ways is 4 factorial because you can arrange 4 numbers in 4 factorial ways, 24. So automatically probability becomes 8 upon 24 or 1 by 3. A option is the answer. Thank you.